JB and Johnelle Hunt family Ozark Highlands Nature Center. Come here to check out the beautiful locations like the playground, creek and garden, located in the Nature Center. Make sure to come Tuesday through Saturday at 8 a.m. through 4:30 p.m. to explore inside. Places outside are open dawn to dusk every day. This is the garden, which has beautiful plants and flowers where bees and other insects can collect food. The Learning Center is located right off the Razorback Greenway Trail. Welcome to the beautiful spring creek with the beautiful clear water and the rocks and all the fishes there. This is the native plant grasslands where there is huge, tall grass that you can visit at the AGF Hunt Learning Center. This land is being restored to how it would have looked like many years ago. These plants are important to local wildlife and pollinators. Welcome to the park. In the Nature Center in this park, there are logs of wood sticking up and you can run up the logs. There was also a rope that you could climb up. It is a great place to come with children of all ages, and just one area here that the whole family can enjoy.